My name is Ibitoye Michael. I'm from Ekiti State, or Ekiti precisely. I was born and brought up in Ibadan. I went to Olabisi Onabanjo University. I studied plant science, but right now I'm an inventor. I have once made a bike. I did a fuelless generator. I deal with DIY electric indoor decorations. This car project is one of my big dreams, and this dream started since when I was in my secondary school stage. I met a woman then in my secondary school. She was talking about a dream book, and in a dream book is where you write your big dreams, and you know a dream should be bigger than the owner of the dream. So I decided to write my own as the first car I'm going to use will be made by me. So when I got to my higher institution, I started bringing up the dream. I started working on it. And the first thing is, I had to get my desired shape of what I want my car to look like. And after, I have to know how to weld melters, since you know melters made up a car. When I decided to start the project, I met with a welder. I showed him everything I want to do, but he told me he doesn't know how to make one, and that's a car. So I told him to teach me how to make use of the welding machine. He taught me. That day I started welding without a protective gel. So, but when I got home, I actually got partially blinded for 4 days. But after the 5th day, I went back to where I was working, and I did it confidently with my gear glass. But sincerely, it was a bit scary, just because I thought I won't be able to see again. But thank God, I make it. The materials I use for my car is fiberglass. I use resin. Resin is a chemical for mixing fiberglass. So I use fiberglass. And for the mold, I use carton for the mold. And after the mold, I fiberglass the carton. And that was why the car body is hard. I used 3 years to build the car. I started in the year 2017, and the car moves in the year 2019. First day I took the car to the main road, the way people were admiring the car, I was surprised, and it was that day I later decided to change my mindset. Like, instead of me building the car for myself alone, it's something I can do for people to see and buy. There are a lot of challenges I face concerning the project, the car project. Money is the number one thing, and I don't have enough money to start the project, just because I was still in my final year stage when I started the project. Secondly, tools, the materials I use, I don't have enough. And 3, people's perspective, what people say about the car project. Some people will come to me and they will be like, are you okay? Are you alright? Have you informed them at home? Like, how can a Nigerian man be saying that I want to do a car from scratch? Despite all the challenges I faced concerning the project, including the partial blindness I suffered for 4 days, I keep working. I didn't give up, and I worked till I achieved my dream. This is my current project, named the Black Dragon, and the reason why I started this Black Dragon is meant for disabled people. And I feel for them whenever I see them on the road crawling with all these four small wheels. And I believe this Black Dragon can conquer the problem they are facing. I know it's not going to be easy in achieving your dream, but I want you to stop at nothing. And I believe one day you will achieve greatness. If I can do it, you too can.